Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Tailor. In a previous lecture, we have talked about the installation of the database. Now, in this lecture, we will be talking about the create a connection and also creating the database. So let's start. If you want to get a more information about the MySQL database with the Python, so you can also switch to our website. So website is a salesforcedriller.com. After opening this page, click on the Learn Python section. After that, click on create connection in the database. So now we have see how to create a connection, how to create a database in your system. Okay. So now let's start. Open ideally, import. First we import MySQL dot connector. So first we will take the object, so my connection, so mycon, MySQL dot connector dot connect. So host is equals to localhost, user is equals to root, and password is equals to 1234. It's my password. Now print my connection. If I get the connection ID, so it's mean that I am successfully connected with the MySQL. So I am sql.py. Let's run this program. So I have seen, you can see that here is the connection ID. It's a successful connected. So now we will create the connection. Now we create the database. How to create a database? So let's see. So let's remove this. So my cursor, now I will create the cursor. So if you want to get more information, you can see I'm also uploading these things on my information, all the things on my website. So you can also see the from the here. Also refer this for the more information about it. So let's see. So my cursor is a my connection dot cursor. What cursor do? Cursor is the invoke your SQL command through the Python. So we are calling the cursor function. So now we are my cursor. Now my cursor dot execute is a create database and database name. It's college. Now run this program. See, here is a no error. It's mean your database has successfully created. How to check that your database has successfully created? You can also make the program on the Python. You can also switch to SQL cell. Then I will show you the both way. First I will talk about the SQL cell. Then I make the program in the Python to see the all the database which we have created. So let's see. Open my start MySQL command line. Now you can see it is a command line of SQL. Give the password. It's a password 1234. So what is the command for see the database? So show databases. So is a semicolon. Enter. So now you can see my college has successfully created. Okay guys, now you can see that my college has successfully created the database. So it is the way to see the in the command line, but how you can see using the Python program. So let's make the program for that. So just remove this. So data bases So now we have to use a loop for extracting all the database name. If you think why we should use the loop, so let's consider about it. In the previous video you have seen, guys, if I have a list, if you want to fetch all the information about a list, so you have also used a for x in range, for x in a. Now you can see, you can print a x. So now you can see all the data has fetched from the list. Similarly, we will also fetch all the data from the database, so we have to use a loop for that. So now for x in my cursor, okay, it's a my cur, it's mean my cursor is a short name. So now we have to print x. Okay, guys, now we have to print a x, so that's why we can see all the database which is located on my MySQL database. Okay, so now let's run this program. So guys, you can see it's a college information schema, MySQL performance schema, and sys. But I am creating the college database, so that's why we have created successfully. So this is the program to create to database and extracting the database name from the server. So now next thing that using the my database. So it's a database name. What is your database? It's equals to, it's a college. It's mean now you are using the college database. Similarly, in command line of SQL, use college. Now you can see database. So now you are using the college database. So that's it for this session, guys. In next session, we will talk about the creating the tables and also the seeing the insertion of the data. So I hope you enjoy this video, love this video. So thanks for my watching video. Thank you, guys.